Jared, what do you have?
A train.
Your train? Chugga, 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 chugga. You have your train? What does the train say?
Train.
Chugga, 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 chugga. What is that?
Okay.
Jared, where's Chico?
I know.
Well, say it. Call him.
Chico. Chico.
Chico.
Why you?
Where are you?
What? What? Chico for the rain.
No, leave Chico outside.
What?
Come here, come show me your train. Can I see your train? Show Mommy your train. Come show Mommy.
What? What?
Watch. I'm going to watch. Okay, watch your train. Whee, look at your train. Get off the floor, silly. Okay, sit up. Gotta sit up. Uh-oh.
A train.
Who is that?
Stop.